Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the VMware Workstation Pro for free. While it wasn't free for personal use before, they recently announced that it is now available at no cost for personal use. However, downloading the VMware Workstation Pro isn't straightforward, but in this video, I'll guide you through the steps. Let's get started. Let's start by opening your browser and go to the VMware official website. Link is in the descriptions. Once you're at this page, let's click on the button labeled Download Fusion or Workstation. This will redirect you to the Broadcom website, as VMware now hosts all its products there. Next, you'll need to create a free account. So let's click on the login in the top right corner, then select Register. Enter your email address, complete the CAPTCHA and hit Next. Check your email for verification code and use it to verify your account. Fill out your information and click on Create Account. Then log in with your new account. Now the download link won't be visible right away, so search for VMware Workstation Pro. When you find it, click on the link to go to the download page. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll see the download options. If you're using Windows or Linux, download the VMware Workstation. However, if you are on a Mac OS, download the VMware Fusion. Since I'm using Windows, I'll be clicking on the second link. Be sure to select the personal use version, as it's only free for personal use. If you need it for work, you'll have to buy a commercial license. Choose the latest version available. You'll need to agree to the Broadcom terms and conditions before the download. Fill out the form with your address, city, then click on Submit. After that, click on Download button and the download should start. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installation file to run it. Follow the prompt to install the software, just like you would with any other software. After the installation is finished, open VMware Workstation. It will prompt you to enter a license key. Since you're using this free version for personal use, simply select the option that says Use VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. Once you make the selection, you should be all set to start using the VMware Workstation. And that's how to get the VMware Workstation Pro for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye for now.